Welcome to DTF Printing. Here is the DTF printer. The roll, the ink is being processed and is going to be filtered into the oven shaker down there. So it's going to go through the adhesive first, and then it's going to process through the oven, and comes out right there, nice and rolled and pretty. So these are DTF transfers. Okay, direct to film. See how beautiful they are, how vibrant, how clear they are. And in the back, it is white. So because of that white is what makes these printers amazing. Okay, these can go on to dark colors, black colors. It can go on to grays and reds, any color, any fabric. You do use a heat press. I have a 15 by 15 that I will share. And you do these at 300 Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. Mine is a hot or cold pill. I like to let it set for about a minute or two. I let it get just cool down, and then I take it off. It comes off just like butter. So, there they are, right there. Beautiful. Let's take a closer look. Let's go. All right, so this is the side that everyone's going to see. How beautiful that is. I love the colors. I love this artist. She's amazing. I have a few of her designs. So I love using this gloss film. There is a difference between gloss and matte. Trust me on that. And gloss, you can go wrong. Alright, and here is the side that's going to go onto your apparel. It is all white. Again, that is so that it can be shown really clear, very vibrant on dark colors. Now these can be pressed onto any color. Alright, here is the adhesive. I already have it there. It's going. It's moving. It's shaking. It's in the oven. And here it comes out. Nice and beautiful. And these are set, and these are ready to go to the press. Fume extractor, very important. Alright, a little introduction to the Ren software. I've had other softwares for other printers that I've had. No, not all printers are the same. This one is by far the best, however. And this is Ren. I love it. And here, I have them set to an hour each print. There we go. So this one, oh, there it is. So this one is printing right now. There it is. Again, I have mine set to an hour each print. On this one, it's my last one for the day. And this person had ordered my hands quilts. And then my mama leopard. My mama leopard comes in pink, white, and black. I'm sorry, hot pink, white, and black. Alright, so don't mind my mess. Yours will look like this too. Baby splatter. Alright, so here is my yellow, black, my red, my blue, and then that's the waist. When you do your creams, it will go in the waist. And my white is over there. It is not the one that circulates. I like the one that does not circulate. This one circulates, and it's never worked properly, so now it just sits there. Very sad. Alright, let's talk about maintenance solution. Maintenance solution is a must-have. For the XP600, those are the ones that I recommend for print head wise. I don't recommend anything else. So the XP600 is great, but when you do finish whatever you're printing and you're going to put it away, you want to do a capping solution. I get the really big one, the big gallon. I think it's over there, but I will put the links below. I get my capping solution and then my maintenance solution, which is a blue one, from the same place. You are going to put your capping solution in the area where there's capping. So where your print head sits, you're going to put your solution in there. I like to clean mine first a little bit, get any ink off, and then I put my capping solution and you let it rest. However, does it help not get clogs? Unfortunately, it helps a little bit, but not 100%. So always make sure you do cleanings manually, also through your software. I'm going to put a few links below. It's going to be to my website where I sell the transfers already made. I sell a few items on there. I'm also going to put my affiliate link. On my affiliate link, I put a few different at-home businesses that you can start and the supplies you can get. The supplies you can get, yes, I have personally bought them and I do personally use them. I love them. All the things that I love, I did put on there. You cannot see it because I covered it, but I have a bunch of stuff. I will teach you how to do, if you want to get into candles, if you want to get into 3D printing, if you want to get into laser engraving. I love learning, you guys, and I love teaching. I mean, why not? All right, so I had a few questions before about printing. They said I make it look easy. Of course, there's going to be, like I said, maintenance. So if you don't do your maintenance, if you get a printer that unfortunately does not clean properly, yeah, you're gonna have clogs in your print head. Some clogs can get out, but 99% of the time they do not. And you have to purchase a new print head. They can run anywhere from, well, XP600s can run anywhere from like $300 to $600. I found them in that price range. But like I said, just, you know, do your research on printers and do your research on inks. So again, my affiliate link, I'm going to put what I use. I hope that helps. If any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. Bye.